Why clouds are white? A cloud is composed of water droplets, considerably larger than the tiny particles that primarily scatter light. Rather than the scattering that occurs with tiny particles, water droplets primarily refract and reflect light of all colors about equally. The result is a white cloud. Each droplet absorbs a small fraction of the light that hits it, so if you have enough droplets, a lot of absorption occurs. Very little light gets through a really big cloud, which is why it looks dark. A cloud can also be darkened if it is in the shadow of another cloud. A further increase in the size of the droplets causes them to fall as raindrops. And we have rain. The next time you find yourself admiring a crisp blue sky, or delighting in the shapes of bright clouds, or watching a beautiful sunset, think about all those ultra-tiny optical tuning forks vibrating away. You'll appreciate these everyday wonders of nature even more. Why water is greenish-blue? We often see a beautiful deep blue when we look at the surface of a lake or the ocean. But that isn't the color of water, it's the reflected color of the sky. The color of water itself, as you can see by looking at a piece of white material underwater, is a pale greenish-blue. Although water is transparent to light of nearly all the visible frequencies, it strongly absorbs infrared waves. This is because water molecules resonate to the frequencies of infrared. The energy of the infrared waves is transformed into internal energy in the water, which is why sunlight warms water. Water molecules resonate somewhat in the visible red, which causes red light to be a little more strongly absorbed in water than blue light. Red light is reduced to 1/4 of its initial brightness by 15 meters of water. There is very little red light in the sunlight that penetrates below 30 meters of water. When red is removed from white light, what color remains? This question can be asked in another way: what is the complementary color of red? The complementary color of red is cyan, bluish-green. In seawater, everything at these depths has a cyan color.